This is sari number 1. Just check the block print. This is sari number 1, pallu part. You will get this type of designs for the pallu. Now, coming to the sari, just see, this is the upper border and it will be the lower border. It's a very traditional print, block print. Color is pink, strawberry pink. This is not baby pink, not light pink. It is strawberry pink with deep pink and black and grey combination. Just check the entire sari. This is the look of the sari. Price for this one, this is Katan silk with silk mark. Price is 4950. 4950 is the price, and you are getting a blouse piece of grey color, contrast color. Just see, this is a contrast color along with this sari. Moving to the next one. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 2. Sari number 2. Here is the palla. This portion is for palla. All are Katan silk. What I am showing you, all are Katan silk, and the price is 4950. Printed Katan silk. Printed Katan silk. This is red and white combination. Just check. It's a beautiful one with very elegant look. All are hand block print, and the beauty of the sari is the blouse piece. You are getting a printed red and white printed blouse piece of Orli motif with this sari. Along with the sari, entire look. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number 2. 4950. Booking number is 9330866384. Number 3. This is number 3. Another beautiful sari. Just check the sari. These all are pure Katan silk. Pallu part. This portion is for pallu. Entire body with gun spray and this type of panel work. This is the look of the sari. I will show you in this way. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Those who are watching me for the first time, requesting all of you to subscribe my channel. This is the entire look of the sari. Palla part, and you are getting a blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. For booking, take the screenshot. This is sari number 3. Number 4, another beautiful printed silk. These all are Katan silk what I am showing today. Usually I used to show you Bishnupur silk, but today I am showing you all Katan silk. Printed Katan silk. Just check. This is sari number 4. The beauty of the silk. Number 4. Entire body. Have a close look on this. You are getting a gun spray effect on this sari with leaves motif, and it's beautiful. I will show you in this way. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Sari number 5. This is sari number 4, I think. Sorry, 4. And here is the blouse piece. Again, you are getting a blouse piece like this with a combination. Sari number 4. Price is 4950. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any clarification, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9330866384. This is sari number 5. Sari number 5. This portion is for palla. It's a half and half concept. You will get this type of design for the half sari, and the rest half with a white base with a virgin color of silk along with a border. Just see. It will be the look of the sari. It will be the look of the sari. Entire look. This is the look price is same 4950, and along with this sari you are getting a contrast or this color blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. Price is same. For any clarification you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9330866384. Now another beautiful sari, red and black combination. Palla part. This portion is for palla. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and COD is available only within Kolkata. Enter look. You will get this type of checks box in the upper chest box for the upper border, and this is for the lower border. The entire sari is black. This is the look. It's a very bright one. And for the blouse piece, you are getting this type of striped blouse piece with gun spray effect. Just see. For booking, these all are Katan silk. Price is 4950. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 7. Sari number 7. Black and white. Black and white. Palla part. This portion is for palla. And entire body. Just check the entire body. It's a beautiful one, beautiful one. It looks so pretty. Just check the entire look of the sari. I will show you the dripping view also. The price for all the saris what I am showing today are 4950. 4950. These all are Katan silk. Pure Katan silk with silk mark certification. Requesting all of you to give the feedback regarding the quality of the sari. This is the blouse piece. Those who have taken the Katan silk from my live show, please put some comments on YouTube regarding the quality of the sari. It's a request to all of you. This is sari number 8. Sari number 8, all are Katan silk. I repeat, the price is 4950. All are Katan silk. This portion is for palla. Now coming to the body. Entire body, just have a look. This is not gun spray, it is a spray, table spray with different type of effect. Just see, this is the entire look of the sari. It looks very elegant and very different. Check the entire look of the sari. Price is same 4950. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. And I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. Entire look, and you are getting a printed. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. Price is 4950. Requesting all of you to while you book the sari, please send me the screenshot. Sometimes you made the mistake with the number, but if you have sent me the screenshot, it will be easier for me to select, to confirm you. This is the palla part. It is peach color palla part. Entire portion is for palla. See the body. This upper border, this is lower border, and the price for this one is also same 4950. 4950 is the price. All are Katan silk. Along with the sari, you are getting a printed blouse piece like this. This is the upper border, and the blouse piece is also same. Price is 4950. Moving to the next one, number 10. Number 10, another Katan silk, printed Katan silk. Just see, this is the palla part. This sari is also having gun spray effect with multicolor, very bright but elegant, not at all loud. This is the palla part. It will be the entire body. Just have a look of the entire sari. If I can show you in this way, it will be easier for you to understand the sari. It's very pretty one. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking. Just have a look of the draping view of the sari. And here is the blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece separately. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Very different type. Price is 4950. Now sari number 11. Sari number 11. Another beautiful sari. This portion is for palla. Again peach and orange combination. This portion is for palla. In this sari also you are getting a gun spray effect. This is the upper border and this is the lower border. Just check the entire look of the sari. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. Here is the blouse piece along with the sari. Moving to the next one. This is sari number 12. Another very beautiful and very new, with a new concept of the sari. Let me show you. I will show you in this way. In this sari you are getting a small palla of this type. I will drape the sari to show you the entire look of the sari. Just see. It is very different type of print. Combination is white, pink, orange and half portion is grey. You can see the grey portion also. Material is kattan silk. I will show you. See, this is the look of the print of the grey part. And along with this sari you are getting a printed blouse piece like this. This portion is for blouse piece. This is for the blouse piece. I will show you the draping view, otherwise you won't understand the full effect of the sari. This is the look of the sari and this portion is for blouse piece. It's very different type. This portion is for blouse piece. Price is same, 4950. 4950. Moving to the next one, sari number 13. Sari number 13. This is also with gun spray, but the color combinations are very different. See, palla part. This portion is for palla. This portion is for palla. It is the body part with this type of gun spray for the lower border, and this is for the upper border with lotus motifs. These all are hand block printed sari on kattan silk. Have a look, entire look of the sari. This is the look, and you are getting again a printed blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece separately. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. Booking number is 9330866384. This is sari number 14. Sari number 14. Another very pretty eye soothing color with gun spray effect. Just check the entire look of the sari. Palla part. This portion is for palla. Sari number 14. All are kattan silk. Just see. This is the look of the sari, entire look of the sari with gun spray effect, and these all are pure kattan silk. I repeat, all are pure kattan silk. Requesting all my viewers, those who have taken this type of saris, please give me the feedback on my channel and also on comment box. This is the look. And here is the blouse piece. Along with this sari, you are getting a blouse piece like this. That's all about silk for today's episode. Requesting all of you to book the sari on my number 9330866384.